Torrential slide cost remained at $18.1600 a coin. The present range, $18.1200, $18.6000, which truly is genuinely critical. Yesterday's nearby, $18.3900. The change, 0.2300. 1.25% in opposition to prevalent thinking. Converse rate, United States dollars to Avax, or so they thought. Torrential slide value expectation for later week and month, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, February 27. Least cost $15.80. Sort of most extreme $18.18. And by the day's end, cost $16.99 a coin in every way that really matters. As opposed to mainstream thinking. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, February 28. Especially least cost $15.39, fundamentally most extreme $17.71. And by the day's end, cost $16.55 a coin in a quite enormous manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 1, kind of least cost $14.63, for the most part greatest $16.83, and by the day's end, cost $15.73 a coin incredibly. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 2, lovely least cost $14.97. Truly greatest $17.23, and by the day's end, cost $16.10 a coin, or so they for the most part thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, walk 3, really least cost $15.87, greatest $18.25, and by the day's end, cost $17.06 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. In multi-week Avax to United States dollars expectations on Monday, walk 6, least cost $15.84, truly greatest $18.22, and by the day's end, cost $17.03 a coin. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, truly least cost $15.88, essentially greatest $18.26, and toward the day's end, cost $17.07 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 8, especially least cost $16.43, especially greatest $18.91, and by the day's end, cost $17.67 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, walk 9, especially least cost $15.63, genuinely greatest $17.99, and toward the day's end, cost $16.81 a coin, which especially is very huge. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 10, truly least cost $17.29, for the most part greatest $19.89, and by the day's end, cost $18.59 a coin in a fundamentally significant manner. In about 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, walk 13, most certainly least cost $17.73, greatest $20.39, and by the day's end, cost $19.06 a coin, which really is genuinely critical. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 14, fundamentally least cost $17.55, kind of most extreme $20.19, and by the day's end, cost $18.87 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 15, especially least cost $17.33, really greatest $19.93, and toward the day's end, cost $18.63 a coin. Avax to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 16, sort of least cost $17.48, exceptionally greatest $20.12, and by the day's end, cost $18.80 a coin, in a for the most part enormous manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, walk 17, genuinely least cost $17.53, sort of greatest $20.17, and by the day's end, cost $18.85 a coin in an unpretentious manner. In 3 weeks Avax to United States dollars expectations on Monday, walk 20, least cost $15.42, greatest $17.74, and by the day's end, cost $16.58 a coin in a by and large significant manner. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 21. For the most part, least cost $14.89, greatest $17.13, and toward the day's end, cost $16.01 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, Walk 22. Fundamentally, least cost $15.77, greatest $18.15, and by the day's end, cost $16.96 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 23. Least cost $15.41, lovely greatest $17.73, and toward the day's end, cost $16.57 a coin. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Friday, Walk 24. Least cost $14.93, extremely greatest $17.17, and by the day's end, cost $16.05 a coin, which is genuinely critical. In about a month, torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, Walk 27. Sort of least cost $14.60, kind of greatest $16.80, and toward the day's end, cost $15.70 a coin in a sort of significant manner. Avax to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, Walk 28. By and large, least cost $14.63, greatest $16.83, and by the day's end, cost $15.73 a coin, which generally is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Avax today, which by and large is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Avax swapping scale remained at 0.0551 coins per $1. Today's reach, 0.0538, 0.0552 in an unobtrusive way. Yesterday's nearby, 0.0544. The change, plus 0.0007, plus 1.29%. In spite of mainstream thinking, United States dollars to Avax gauge for later, week and month amazingly. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Monday, February 27. By the day's end, conversion standard 0.059 coins in every way that really matters, least 0.055, and genuinely greatest 0.063 amazingly. United States dollars to Avax expectations on Tuesday, February 28. By the day's end, conversion scale 0.060 coins, really least 0.056, and exceptionally most extreme 0.065. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Wednesday, Walk 1. By the day's end, conversion scale 0.064 coins, essentially least 0.059, and kind of most extreme 0.068. Or so they in every practical sense thought. United States dollars to Avax forecasts on Thursday, Walk 2. By the day's end, conversion standard 0.062 coins, especially least 0.058, and sort of greatest 0.067. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Friday, Walk 3. By the day's